Many people caught in the flood zone. Now they are wondering who is going to pay for all the damage down there. KPIX 5's Julie Watts on whether flood insurance will come to the rescue. Julie?
Well, Ken, in some cases it will. Homeowners here tell us this area has flooded before, but following recent improvements, they thought the issue had been resolved. Clearly, they were wrong, and many here tell us they don't have flood insurance.
Never been this bad.
While Steve's home narrowly escaped the flooded Coyote Creek,
Literally like right here.
he says he's still overwhelmed with regret.
I was thinking that may have been the worst decision you made in your whole life, is to not get that flood insurance.
You see, he's lived here for 18 years, and for most of them had to have flood insurance. Homeowners in a high-risk flood zone with a federally backed mortgage, most mortgages are required to purchase flood insurance. But he recently paid off his loan and owns his home outright. So when it came time to decide on flood insurance this year,
Decided I'm not, you know what, I don't think I need it.
and he's not alone.
I don't have flood insurance, but I do have insurance.
I have insurance, but only for the fire, but not for the flood.
Unfortunately, a traditional policy won't cover this. The average residential flood claim, $43,000. The average flood insurance premium, around $700 a year. And while much of the affected area in San Jose is a designated high-risk flood zone, many of the 14,000 evacuated do not have a mortgage, so flood insurance would not be required, and renters are not covered under their landlord's policies.
The federal or state government is not going to replace your home.
Which is why Insurance Commissioner Dave Jones urges anyone anywhere near a waterway to get flood insurance, even if it's not required.
Though they may be outside of the mapped flood zone, the water's going to go where the water goes.
According to FEMA, 20% of all national flood insurance claims come from moderate to low-risk areas.
I got lucky so far.
And as Steve points out, the rain season isn't over yet.
I think I'm going to call my insurance guy. I'm going to call him and say, is it too late? Can I buy it now?
Now, you can buy flood insurance anytime, but it's important to know that there is a 30-day waiting period before it takes effect. So even if Steve and others were to purchase those policies today, it would not go into effect before the next storm is forecast. In San Jose, Julie Watts, KPIX 5.